Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can pair these Sony earbuds to your Android phone. So to do this, first of all we have to open this charging case, remove both earbuds, put them close to our phone, and right now they will move to the pairing mode automatically. So all we have to do is just to open this Bluetooth settings and then select to pair new device. Take a look for available devices list. If they are still not visible, I can recommend you to simply go back from the list and click to pair new device one more time. If this method is not working, I'm going to show you how to move them to the pairing mode manually. So let's wait for a few seconds. Okay, I think that's right now it's time to grab both earbuds and take a look. All we have to do is to simply click and hold right here on this touch panel until this earphones appears on the list. As you can see right now we got this notification and they also appears on the list. So when we click on them once and accept the pairing request, as you can see we are successfully connected. Next we can go to the Play Store and we can get this Sony application. It's called the Sony Headphones Connect, this one. So let's open it. And as you can see, when you previously connect them by using the standard Bluetooth settings, we will be already set up in the application. So all we have to do is to simply perform this few steps. Just go right here, and as you can see we are successfully connected. And yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.